My name's Liz McDermott and I'm a Professor of Health Inequality at Lancaster University, and I'm the Chief Investigator on the Queer Futures 2 study. This is a research project that's aiming to improve mental health services for lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans, queer, questioning young people. It seems at the moment that LGBTQ young people find it quite difficult to get support when they're first experiencing mental health problems. So, for example, a little while ago, a young, gay, cis man told me about his struggle with depression, and that how he felt that if he asked for help, he would be judged negatively. And in his words, he said he didn't want to be thought of as the gay, depressed person. Another young person, a young non-binary person, told me about their struggle with anxiety and how they felt that if they did ask for help, they would then think of themselves as a failure, and the other person would think of them as failed. And these are two examples of quite common stories that we heard from young people that took part in our first study, the Queer Future study, that told us that young people were reluctant to try and ask for help, and that actually when they did ask for help, those services or support wasn't very good. And part of the reluctance to seek help for their mental health problems was related to fears around how the adults that are around them would react to their sexuality and gender. They were also concerned that having mental health problems when they were at a young age was not normal, so the stigma around mental health. They were also fearful that because they were young, adults wouldn't take their emotional distress seriously. And all those stories and those reasons for having problems accessing services were all apparent in the Queer Futures study. And what the Queer Futures 2 study is trying to do is find out from young people themselves how we can improve mental health services when they first experience mental health problems.